What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on YFI or yearn.finance. Did a video on that yesterday. It was, well, quite a lot of you were interested in it. So I just wanted to make another video today because I do think, right now the volume still high at around 233 million. Over the last day it has actually shown some bullish momentum. And I think there's a lot of potential for trades here. Now, I do want to say, obviously this is one of the biggest manipulations I've seen in the last months. Definitely not the biggest. Most of you can probably name a couple manipulations that were worse. But this was a very strong manipulation. Like manipulations like these are like classic, but you rarely see them. Like a huge uptrend and then a crash. But that's what happened. So now what we've seen is that it has found some support right here at this zone. Here you can see from when YFI was bullish, it's kind of this area where support has been found. It got up to the 0.236 fib right here, found resistance, dropped back down. So right now it's kind of stable here. And I actually do think, like usually, sometimes what happens is that the manipulators who pump up the price right here, and they sell right here after the or with the crash. Usually what happens is that they still have some amount of YFI in this case left. So what they then do is they pump up the price once more and then sell at higher levels. So what you get is some sort of a second rally. Never as high as the first rally, but that does mean that bullish momentum is possible here and that a better short entry is possible too. All right, so that's why I think it's interesting. And that's also why I was looking at it this morning and why I wanted to make a video on that on that today. So if you look at this, what you'll see is that really most of the liquidity is around 10,000. There's basically like between 11,000 and 12,000, there's also some. And then here at the top at 13,000, there's some. But 13,000 I think is too high. 10,000 I think is too close. I think that level right here is really like this is the main the best area in my eyes at least to potentially short from. You can see on the 1 hour time frame there's a lot of resistance there. You have different Fibonacci retracement levels there. So what we see today, like the main level to break is this level right here at 10,000. All right, that's the main level to break. And at this moment it doesn't even look most likely that it will break through that level. It does look most likely that YFI will test that level again. All right. So that it tests that level, but because of the liquidity there's no need really to push through it. So there's a potential that YFI rallies today, but then it would need to break above 10,000. All right, if it's able to do that, then we can rally up to 11,000, 11,500 would be my main price target. So there's a possibility. And then, like I said, from that level between, let's say 11,000 and 11,050, that's such a strong resistance level that I expect it to be a great short entry, right? If you do something like this, it's low reward, but also low risk, I would say. So a lot of potential right here. If I would have to give you my thoughts on the most likely scenario from here, it would be a consolidation, and I do still expect that YFI will break above 10,000 and rally up higher once more. I expect it at least once, and then that from that level it finds resistance, drops back down, and probably drops down lower towards 7,500. That is what the most likely scenario in my head right now looks like. But you must know the way I trade, I just react. All right, so I don't rely on predictions like these. I just, when it breaks above 10,000, then I know what to do, and if it doesn't, it will just consolidate here and die out. All right. So yeah, those are my thoughts on YFI for now. Let me know if you'd like to stay updated on YFI. You'll definitely get updated when it's trying to break above 10,000, obviously. But for now, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. And if you're interested in my premium group or signals, links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But that's up to you. All right. For now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great weekend and bye.